I just
I got
missed
one
it.
hit on it. One hit.
I undershot it by a little bit.
I got a knock.
Did you get the balloon?
No, I got the balloon.
Oh, anything good?
Just bandages for me, some grenades.
Oh, okay, I see where one guy is.
There's one guy on top of the.
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
I don't even know who. Okay, exploded somebody. You in factory. Oh shit! I didn't even see him. Okay, guys, there's one guy in the factory closest to you.
There are two people at the on top of that factory, Han.
I know. I see them.
I think it's 2v2v2.
Where are the other two then?
In the factory closest to you guys. There's a guy.
Okay.
You want to break down the walls and shoot, or I can break down the wall and shoot. Kind of factory.
You guys
You
are in
ready?
a good position because someone's sandwiched in between you guys. See how they're fighting.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there they go. Okay.
I think it would be a good idea to swing over to single channel. Nice. That was a good hit.
Oh, here they're coming at us.
Rock.
Behind the rock. Oh my god. I was just too slow on that one.
Try to bounce from inside. Yep, get him. He's an AR range, yeah. Nice.
I got it.
Ah, I didn't finish him though.
13 seconds, you got push.
Push him, push him.
If you knocked him, you need to finish him. Nice! Oh!
Ah! That was such bad aim.
Alright, someone just got eliminated.
So who's the team? The only team left
That's
is
the
the
two up
factory.
there, and then there's one
I see.
guy in between y'all. Someone
Yeah.
dropped down. He's
He's dropped
setting
down.
up traps in the factory closest to you. Nice.
Got one.
Okay,
You got the guy who
You
just
guys-
fell.
okay. There's someone in the factory next to you, James.
Yeah. No.
Oh, that's a kill.
Shit, shit.
Go, go, go. Alright, he's in the factory.
Yeah, I know.
Hog, you need a heal.
I'm gonna blow the factory. Shit, James, all of you.
Yeah!
Hey, Michael, I can't heal. I don't have any healing.
Holy shit, dude. That was awesome. That was really good. That was awesome.
I guess somebody snipes this game.
Yeah,
I
you did a good
noticed.
job. I missed that one. Michael was watching me and I missed it. I was like, damn it.